back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys something really cool. Make sure to like and subscribe, smash that like button, and let's move into the video. Okay guys, so these robin eggs in my tree house just hatched. Let's take a look at the babies. You guys see them? Hang on. You can see them in the background. Yeah, I don't have very good lighting in here. The mother's mad at me. I have to go. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do some Minecraft. I'll do some Minecraft. Oh yeah, and a nice big shout out to FN Minimal. The only reason I'm shouting him out is because he's my friend. And if you guys want to play with me, send me a friend request. My name is Kamfer, Kamfer. Okay? On Fortnite, I'll play some Minecraft if you guys want. And yeah. So tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing some Fortnite. Oh, I almost fell. So this is my pond. Yeah, I think I showed you guys this, like my first video. I'm hoping I'll find some gardener snakes in my backyard, but I doubt it. Yeah, we have some frogs in this pond. Yeah, pretty nice. There's my roo. I think I might be able to find some caterpillars on this. Wait, no, I don't think the eggs hatched. Yeah. And this here's my milkweed. If you guys see any of this, there's 2 different types of milkweed right now in Michigan that I know of. I'm not saying there's not more. Swamp, I forgot the other one's name. Sorry, guys. Oh, guys, a dragonfly. I mean, it's not too rare. See a dragonfly in my backyard? I'm gonna try. Oh, dear. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, take a look in the pond. The attack of the vines. Yeah, my hat vine is attacking me. I mean, it's not legitimately attacking me, but, you know. So, let's move on. These are my cherry tomatoes that I've been growing for some time now. And this is the basil I've been growing from seed. Pretty good, right? Okay. And I don't think you guys have seen my, what were they called? Lily pad flowers. They pop up every year. They're my favorite. And yeah, those are the peony bushes. And guys, yeah, my telescope. If you guys want, I'll make a video at night. And yeah, I don't know yet. Let me know what I should do, because I don't know what to do. Right now I'm only doing these little vlogs and I'm playing Fortnite. That's pretty much it. So let me know in the comments, because I don't know what to do. I mean, I have some caterpillars right here. Hang on, guys. I have to unzip the cage.
That's a great idea. The students will engage in cutwork competition to write the best song, clawing all over each other to have their anthem chosen.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, that's all their poop.
No, you're way off. In fact, since it's your idea, I'm going to make you a judge. Along with birthday and... I want to be a judge. Just why don't be such a good judge?
Okay.
Geometry when you teach it anyway.
Yeah, here's my dirty fish tank. Guys, well, you can see the murky water, you can see my fish. And yes, that is a white fish. Giving you guys a couple of extra angles. I'm trying to give you guys the best angles I can. I'll play Minecraft if you guys want. Let me know. I'll do it. And, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Remember, guys, subscribe, smash that like button. Let me know what to play. I'm going to keep doing these vlogs. Let me know what to play in the comments. The older my YouTube channel gets, the more things I'll be doing. And guys, I will be doing giveaways once I make some money. Well, when I make enough money, I'll be doing some giveaways. I'll see you guys later. I'll give you a yeet. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.